this is Rachel and I'm a U1 student from SBM school and I'm electing for the position EO in Hall 7. So let me introduce myself. I'm a very outgoing person, as you can tell. I love smiling a lot. It is awkward now, but it's fine when you meet me. And I love making friends. I'm really people oriented. Especially friends from different cultural backgrounds. That's why I love Hall 7 so much, because you can simply make friends from different parts of the world even when you say hi in a lift. Hi. So another thing is that I really love art a lot. Since a very young age, I've been doing Chinese painting and I'm qualified for Chinese painting grade 3 as well. So this leads us to the events that we are gonna talk about. The 3 events. So the first one will be a Chinese painting class, which consists of 15 to 20 people, and I am thinking about holding it in the mid-September evening, and the budget will be $200 to $300. That would consist of the Chinese painting brushes that we're going to use, the colors, and also the Chinese painting fan. Why fan? Because it'll be more fun than using paper, because you can simply fan your art piece when you feel stuffy in Hall 7. And I think the student will be really interested in this class because yeah, we have students from different parts of the world and they'll be interested in our culture as well, like how I'm interested in theirs. So art is a very unique element in a culture that I love to share with people, and that's why let's do that. And the other thing will be cooking Canton food, and I'm thinking about a 10 people class that the budget will be $300, and we'll do it in the early October when everyone is not that busy. I would like to do it in the big common rooms with 2 or more stoves, but I heard that we can do like cooking classes, cooking stuff in Hall 8 or Hall 9. Yeah, so we can think about it later. And I'm thinking about cooking siu mai because I love cooking myself and I know a lot of recipe. I do a lot of I search a lot of recipe and I cook them myself, and I think siu mai is a really good thing to cook because students might have tried them in different cuisines but they haven't even thought of making them, and it will be a fun option to do. We will only need a steamer and the pork. If student cannot eat pork, we can use fish instead, and some siu mai, the wrapping, like the dumpling skin. And the other thing workshop is I'm gonna hold a meditation workshop. Me myself actually have a lot of experience holding meditation workshop in ISAC and also some charity organization outside. And we actually don't need any budget. We only need an activity room and we only need to borrow some yoga mat. I know that we can borrow it from the school from the last semester, as I helped the floor tutor to do that. So yeah, and I'm thinking about holding it in the mid or early November because we are having midterms and we really need to relieve stress. So I think these workshops, students will be really interested as they could communicate with people from the same hall or the same floor. They can do it together and they can make friends and enjoy the culture differences and culture shock. Like when they're doing the drawing, they'll be like, oh, is that a brush? Oh, that's ridiculous, but yeah. So this is my plans. I hope you like it and hope that I could be in the LT team next year. Thank you. Bye bye.